Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up verify EV charger compatibility with your vehicle's CCS full guide step by step clearly. To ensure that your electric vehicle is compatible with an EV charger using the CCS standard, follow these detailed steps. Begin by identifying your vehicle's charging port type. Most modern electric vehicles, or EVs, utilize either Type 1, Type 2, or CCS connectors. Check your vehicle's user manual or manufacturer's website to find the specific charging port type. Next, determine the specifications of the EV charger you plan to use. Look for the charger's output capacity, which is typically measured in kilowatts. Ensure the EV charger supports CCS charging to maintain compatibility with your vehicle. Inspect the compatibility certifications of the charger, which should comply with local regulations and standards. If you have access to an EV charger, make a note of the maximum charging speed it offers. Next, assess your vehicle's accepted charging speed to avoid any potential damages. This information is usually available in the user manual or on the manufacturer's specifications page. Now, find the charger's location and confirm it is operational. Check for any obstacles or restrictions in the area where you plan to park and charge. When you arrive, align your vehicle appropriately with the charging station, ensuring that the charging cable can reach your port effortlessly. Connect the CCS charger to your vehicle's charging port firmly. Once connected, the charger and vehicle will communicate. Pay attention to the display on the charger, which should confirm a successful connection. Observe your vehicle's dashboard or app for notifications of charging status. If everything is in order, charging should begin shortly. Monitor the charging process, ensuring that it is proceeding without issues. Familiarize yourself with the estimated time for a full charge based on the charger's output and your vehicle's battery capacity. After charging completes, safely disconnect the CCS charger from your vehicle. Place the charging connector back in its designated spot on the charger. Lastly, review your vehicle's charging history to ensure everything was recorded accurately. Following these steps will guarantee compatibility and a smooth charging experience for your electric vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.